There it goes. It's a blue volcano!
It's a red volcano. It's so nice.
Oh, look at that. It's what?
It's booming. It's a yellow. It's blue. It's a blue.
Look at that. There's your yellow volcano. There it goes. Spilling over. What happens if you put more in that one? Yeah, it seems like once they're done exploding, they're done. So it doesn't want to explode much, does it? Do you remember, Luke, what's the term that we use to describe like a thick liquid? Remember?
I don't remember.
Remember viscous. So baking soda is going to turn all vinegar into a viscous liquid. It'll have viscosity. I wonder what happens if we put our eggs in there. You have these crummy brown eggs that turn out disgusting. What if we put them in with the baking soda? Should we try it?
Look at. If you put a lot of it in there, it gets steamy. Look at it. It's pretty big in it.
Let's try this one. I'm curious to know if it holds the color better. I think we're done. Sweetie, that's enough. That's enough.
No, I'm putting yellow. It's putting yellow.
What you have there is a white mountain inside yellow liquid.
Yeah.